Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the addition. In this video we will learn how to do subtraction. Today our topic is subtraction. Here a chart has been shown and there are two numbers placed in it. We use this sign to show the subtraction. As we start from the units, we have to take away 9 units out of 1 units. As we cannot take away 9 units out of 1 unit, what will we do? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. We will take borrow from tens. So we take borrow 110 from 1 tens. Here we will take 1 borrow and in the tens column there will be left 0. Here we have taken 110 as a borrow. 110 means 10 units and there is 1 unit that we already have in this column. If we add 10 and 1 we get 11. We have 11 units. Now we will subtract 9 units from 11 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to take away 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we left with 1, 2 units. It means if we subtract 9 units from 11 units, we are left with 2 units. Now we will move toward the tens. Here we can see that we have to subtract 3 tens from 0 tens. As we cannot take away 3 tens out of 0 tens, so we regroup the hundreds and take borrow from the hundreds. But we cannot take borrow from 100 as there is 0 hundred. So we move towards the next column, that is thousands column. We borrow 1000. Now we have 10 hundreds in the hundreds column. Here we can see that we have 10 hundreds in hundreds column. If we take borrow from 1000, we get 0,000 here. Now we can take borrow from hundreds. Out of 100, we borrow to the tens. Out of 100, if we give borrow to the tens, here we are left with 9 hundreds. Now we can easily subtract 3 tens out of 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 tens, we have to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many tens are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we are left with 7 tens. After the subtraction of tens, we will move towards the hundreds. We have to subtract 100 out of 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to subtract only 1. And how many hundreds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are left with 8 hundreds. Now we will move towards the thousand. We can see that we have to subtract 0 thousands out of 0 thousands. Here we are left with 0. After the subtraction of 1000, we will move towards the 10,000s. We have to subtract 6 10,000s out of 6 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we are left with 0. It means if we subtract the same number we get 0. Now we will move towards the 100,000s. We have to subtract 900,000s from 500,000s. As we cannot take away 900,000s out of 500,000s, we take borrow. So we take borrow from 4 millions. If we take one borrow from 4 millions, here we are left with 3 millions. Now we can see that 1 million is equal to 10,000,000. And there are 500,000 already we have in this column. If we add 10 and 5, we get 1,500,000. Now we can easily subtract 900,000 from 1,500,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have to subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we subtract 900,000 from 1,500,000, we are left with 6. We have to subtract millions. We will subtract 9 millions from 3 millions. But we cannot take away 9 millions out of 3 millions. What will we do now? We will take borrow from 10 millions. So we take borrow from the 10 millions. Here we have 13 millions now. And here we are left with 2 millions. Out of 13 millions we have to subtract 9 millions. 1 10 million and 3 millions makes 13 millions. Now we have to subtract 9 million from 13 millions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we will subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we are left with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if we subtract 9 millions from 13 millions, we are left with 4 millions. Now we will move towards the 10 millions. Here we have only 2 10 millions. So we will write it as it is because we have nothing to subtract from this number. In this video we have discussed subtraction. In the next video we will learn predecessors and successors. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.